Here are 7 tools for digital artists. These tools will help you create faster, smarter, and with way more fun. I use them myself and I wish I had known about some of these years ago. So let's jump right in. Let's start with pose references. The apps Magic Poser and JustSketchMe are both super handy when you need to figure out dynamic poses, tricky angles, or foreshortening. You can rotate these 3D models, you can adjust their limbs, change the lighting, and explore camera perspectives. And you can even find pre-made poses or poses and whole scenes created by other users of the app. It's really a lifesaver when you're stuck on a pose or perspective. So what I love is that it's easy to set up a quick scene and then just jump straight into sketching. You can pose, take a screenshot, or download your image and then bring it into your drawing app like Procreate. Do you have color palette stress? Then Coolors.co might be the perfect solution for you. You can create these random, beautiful color combinations just by hitting your spacebar. And then if you see a color that you like, you can lock it and keep generating around that color. You can also tweak the hues and the brightness, or even upload your own images to extract colors from. So it's handy if you want to build palettes before you start painting, especially when you want to create like a consistent vibe or mood. And then once you find something you like, you can copy the hex codes or save the palette as an image and then use it directly in Procreate. If you love adding text to your art, thefont.com is like a gold mine. It has thousands of free fonts in every style imaginable, like a cute, comic, handwritten, gothic, playful, you name it. And what I find super helpful is the live preview feature. You can just type in your own phrase or name, and then you'll immediately see what it looks like in different fonts. That makes it so easy to find something that fits your project. Do make sure to check the license info if you're using it for commercial projects. You finish your artwork, now make it shine. Canva is an amazing free tool for creating mockups, promo images, and social media posts with your art. It's super easy. You can just drop your artwork into these frame mockups or posters or device screens in seconds. And that drag and drop style makes it super easy. I use it for my social media posts all the time. It's really a quick way to make your illustrations look super professional, even without Photoshop. Do you need inspiration or a reference or a texture? Websites like Unsplash and Pexels are my go-to sources. You will find royalty-free photos in like every style and category, like landscapes, portraits, interiors, animals, and also textures. And yes, you can get images that are even free for commercial use. I often go to these websites to find reference photos, get inspiration for stylized illustrations, or to get textures that I can use to enhance my digital paintings. If you want to boost your anatomy or gesture drawing skills, then Line of Action is an amazing tool for practicing with real-life figure references. You can do these timed sketch sessions that mimic live drawing classes, or you can go at your own pace, of course. And you can choose between full body, hands and feet, and even animals and objects. I think it's a really great way to warm up, to loosen up, and to train your eye. The most personal and always available, at least I hope so, a tool is your own phone camera. I use mine constantly to snap interesting scenes, textures, or anything I find inspiring. And you can use these photos as direct references, you can trace them, you can build studies, or create your own photo library for future projects. And the best part, of course, is that you always have it with you. So which tool will you try first? Or perhaps you have a hidden gem you think I should know about. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like these.